So it is our first full day here in Mongolia, technically, and we've gone out to the countryside, like I wanted to see some trains. However, the weather could be a bit better. It's cloudy and it is a bit chilly. Wishing I brought my jumper. You did suggest I'd bring my jumper.
You decided to be brave.
Elena's got a coat on, and maybe a little bit of hay fever or something.
I don't feel great.
So we're having a shorter day today. We had a good line. It's already 12:30, which that's a very late start for my train spotting, isn't it? Yeah. So we're having just a shorter day, just basically to test out how the hitchhiking and getting lifts here works. We opted for paying 20,000 Mongolian things, Tuariks, to get here, which is about £5, £5, something like that. So it's all right basically for a quick and easy option to get there. It is starting to spit a little bit with rain, but it's meant to brighten up in the afternoon, so we've got hope. But this is the area we're in. We'll show you a bit more, but it's absolutely lovely scenery. Back over, I'll back over that way, right in the distance over there is Ulaanbaatar, or the outskirts of Ulaanbaatar. Yeah, so we'll wait for some trains, explore the nature a bit, and yeah, keep warm. It's not that cold. It's a little chilly. Hello. So it's later in the day. It's about 5:30 now. It has become sunny. The day's been a bit mostly cloudy with patches of sun. We've seen 4 freight trains and now one passenger train, which is just over there. That was 27 coaches long, which has to be some form of, if not the longest, the contender for one of the longest passenger trains in the world. So that's pretty cool to see, isn't it?
It is.
And yeah, it's been quite nice spending the day here, or spending the afternoon here, watching the cows, horses and stuff, going about the business and admiring the Mongolian scenery. So yeah, it's been a very enjoyable first trial.
Just look at the scenery. It looks so lovely. There is some yards at the distance. So yeah, people have horses, cows, sheep. It's really nice to see. I don't know how well you can see. There is some sort of a... I don't know what's that. It seems like they built all these yards for some sort of event or something. There's quite a lot of people and cars, so I'm not sure.
The next day.
Oh my god, I want one. Oh, they're so small and cute. Anna.
So we are walking to our spot of the day, which is in the distance near that hill. Really quite a beautiful landscape. So yeah, we'll show you more when we get there.
So we have the fourth, the third train.
Fourth train. Very, very happy, very lovely landscape. Watching it go all the way around there and come down here.
Yeah, we will show you later.
So, a little bit of info of where we are and what this railway is behind us. So, it is a line which goes from the north of Mongolia right to the south via Ulaanbaatar and a few other places in Mongolia. It comes from Russia and goes to China in the south. So a lot of the traffic is Russia to China, such as intermodal, containers which may even be going all the way to Europe. A lot of them will. So, you know, something you've ordered off AliExpress. Maybe in one of those containers. You probably can't see, but right in the distance there is a train we've just photographed 10 minutes ago, and you can see them for absolutely miles here as they snake round. So you may be wondering why it does a big loop all the way round, and that's because it needs to gain height. So down there is the railway line all the way down there, and just behind me is the railway line here. Now it's quite a big height difference for a train to go, so instead of going straight up, it goes on a loop round to gradually gain height, which results in an absolutely beautiful place to take photos of trains as they snake around, and also a great place to get trains in both directions as well. So absolutely stunning railway. I will add more details about various stuff, but yeah, absolutely amazing railway to see.
All the way from up there. The field was a little bit damp in places, so yeah, we had to be careful. But it looks nice. River and horses. Just look at them. So, that's really cool to see. Wow. It's not like I've never seen horses, but it's absolutely different type of farming horses, if you can call it like that. Wow. We're heading back now to the village, and then we go walk through the village and take a bus back. Hopefully the bus will turn up. Yeah, it was quite a nice, busy with trains day. We started about 7:30. Now it's quarter to 6, I think. Yeah, so clearly productive day, and I'm really glad that Richard got a lot of gorgeous shots, because he really wanted to come here, yeah, and get them. So I'm really happy that he's happy.
So this is the area near where we are staying. Found this quite cool roundabout statue of
Some sort of Buddhist figure, lion, I don't know, they have
like a bit of a dog.
animals.
It's quite stunning. Yeah, we've just hitchhiked back.
Hello, bus.
Yeah, one of the nicer buses.
Yeah, we'll tell you about hitchhiking when we're back, maybe, to the place.
Time to find some food.
Yeah.